Filipinos love balot because it is part of our tradition. Many people grow up eating it, so it feels normal and familiar. They believe it is good for our body because it has protein and gives energy. Balut is also cheap and easy to buy on the street, especially at night. Some people eat it for fun or just a challenge with friends. It's more than just a food. It's part of a Filipino culture. How can people around a child be a good influence? The people around a child, like parents, teachers, and friends, can shape how the child grows up. If they show love, kindness, and respect, the child will learn to do the same. Good role models help the child become a better person. When adults support and guide the children, it builds the child's confidence. Being in a positive environment helps children make good choices and reach their dreams.
The next day.
Why does political dynasty exist in the Philippines? Political dynasty exists in the Philippines because some families have had power for many years. Their names are well known, so many people vote for them again. These families often have more money and resources to win elections. Also, the government does not have strong laws to stop dynasty. Because of this, the same family stays in power and become hard for new leaders to enter politics.